BYD ETP3's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators provide real-time alerts on vehicle systems, ensuring drivers are promptly informed of any issues to maintain safety and optimal performance. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display offers intuitive control over navigation, media, climate controls, and vehicle settings with a sleek, minimalist interface. The instrument cluster displays essential driving information such as speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and warning indicators. The steering wheel controls the vehicle's direction and often includes buttons for audio and other functions. The gear shifter lets the driver select transmission modes like park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. High beam indicator, turn signal indicator. Position light indicator, OK indicator. Driving power limit warning, main alarm indicator. Anti-theft indicator, a BS fault warning light. ESC off warning light, ESC fault warning light. Door status indicator, tire pressure fault warning light. Rear fog light indicator, engine simulator status indicator. Steering system fault warning light, seat belt reminder indicator. Motor coolant overheating, charging system warning light. Battery power over temperature, power battery fault warning light. Powertrain fault warning light, parking brake fault. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol, stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.